Hi, my name is Christine Lashadatis. I'm doing a presentation for MIS 341. It's all about the network system. I decided to pick an institution named UMassLow to do the presentation about. So UMassLow have two network system. One is named UMassLow and another one is named Edwin. I decided to focus more on Edwin because my school UMass Dartmouth uses too. So that is why I decided to go with it. So the first page in my presentation is about the background of the inventor of Edwin. His name is Klaas Wieringa. He's the current chief community support officer at Geon. He actually has 5 patents, US patents right now. He was inducted in the Internet Hall of Fame in 2019. Like Edwin is also supported by Geon, which is a pan-European data network for the research and education community. Is actually very helpful, and then also the Internet Hall of Fame is actually very good because like there's famous people just like the guy that invented Linux, and I believe his name was Linux Torvalds. Is also inducted into that, so it's a very famous thing. As of right now, he like the inventor of Edwin is actually holding a lot of position. He's also the co-author of Building the Mobile Internet, Cisco Press in 2011, and also the Wireless Networking in the Developing World 2013. He was also in there too. And so the next page on my presentation is all about the Edwin background. The Edwin allows user to securely access the internet from any Edwin institution. So if your institution have it, you can do anything with it. It's securely safer. That is why Edwin is very good. As of right now, there's at least 113 institutions in the New England area that use it. 25 of them are in Massachusetts. And worldwide, Edwin is used by more than 2,500 locations right now. And in my slides, I put pictures of a map on every single like that shows you the places like where Edom is right now. The map in the bottom shows you all of the places that Edom is used in the United States in 2015. As of right now, I'm pretty sure that like it's way more. I looked for more of a picture that was way earlier, but could not find any right now. So the third slide is all about network design, and then the main thing, the one thing you need to have everyone is you need a management system, and you need an identity management system, and then and what do you call it again? It is one of the main thing you need because like to use Edwin, identity management system is all about is an information system that can be used for enterprise or cross network identity management. So you must know use an identity management system named Secure Access. It is a complex identity management technology that designed to protect the university data. To access the university any of the university application, you actually have to like be in the data of the human resources or a student administration. So if you're not into the data and or have an active relationship with the university, you cannot have it at all. You cannot go to any of the application. The second thing you need to get enrollment to your institution is a radius, also known as a remote authentication dialing user service. It's a networking device that is used to authenticate users. Like you have a background process that run on Unix and Windows, and then its main job is to maintain the profiles of the users and the center database. It can also be used as and to enhance network security. The third thing we talk about is about it is how you need to be able to configure your LAN, um, your wireless LAN. So in the presentation in the fourth page we talk about how to you can use it. So one of the basic requirements for to get everyone is to your wireless LAN must be able to support I IEE 802 I1X authentication and WPA2 AES support and multiple SSID support if you want other networks into your thing. And the last slides talk about softwares. I decided to put softwares because there's like you must know use a lot of softwares. I decided to put some softwares in there. One of the main software like they like to use is Adobe Creative Cloud, and it's mostly for free, so you don't have not pay for it. Students actually have to pay a lot for it if you want to get it about in person, and that is one of the best thing about the softwares in the system. So how do you call it again? Also, I did not include a lot of thing because I thought it would be a lot of things in this presentation because I thought there was gonna be more stuff in it. So that is why I really in everything is though. An example of the software that they use is Tableau. Tableau, I decided to put Tableau. I focus on Tableau because I'm an MIS major and it's one of the big things that we actually use in the field. As of right now, I'm literally studying how to use it on Udemy. It's a website that teach you how to do it. They give you classes how to do it. So that is why I decided to do it. Annually, if you want to be a creator in Tableau, you're gonna have to pay at least $840 annually. But because we're student and we pay technological fees, and then so most of it, which is included in a thing on check every time it comes in, so it's basically free for us, so you get it for free as a student. But after a year or two, if you're not a student, you can not use it. So that is why Tableau is very good. That is why I think it's one of the best software you can have right now. And also another software that I put that is provided for all of the students and the network is Office 365. It's one of the best thing you can use. You can use Outlook, you can use Words in it. So it's one of the best things because I put those two because we use them a lot, like email from teachers and everything. Word Studio or working all that too. So one of the feedback I got was an article about it was an article about how the system was so slow, and there was a cyber attack in 2021 just last year on the network, and students were complaining about how slow it is because there were too many devices, and because like UMass where UMass is located, there's way too many other buildings that interfering with the other network. One of the problem they have right now is they have way too much devices on the network right now, and so I hope like to improve that. I hope like they, I don't know, maybe upgrade or try to put more application in the system because it is very bad. My sisters goes there and they also tell me every once in a while this the network the internet is very slow. Thank you all for the presentation. That is all I have to say. Thank you.